Good morning, everybody. It's time for maths meeting, and the maths meeting this week is thinking a little bit about containers. So we'll get there in a moment, but we're going to start with I love maths. We all love maths, and we have a Numicron 10 tile, another one. So that's 2 10s. Do you know what 2 10s are? Good, they're 20. And we've got some ones. We've got 4 ones today. So we would write this like this. 2 10s are 20. But when we say 2 and a 0, write that down, we haven't taken into account the 4 ones. So we have to take that 0 away and put 4 there. So the numeral today is 24. Good. There's the 2 10s. And there are the 4 ones. And that's how we write it. Right. Can you find number 9 on the number line? Again, if you're not sure, you can always start at 0, but we're going to begin our counting on at 9. There it is. And we're going to count on quite a few numbers, quite a few ones. We're going to count on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have landed on 16. So our number sentence is going to be the 2 numbers, the 9 we started with and the 7 we counted on. And here it is, 9 plus or add 7 equals 16. So 9 add 7 equals 16. And that is quite a nice way to do adding when you've got a number line. Our shape today, not a 2D shape, but a 3D shape. Can you remember what it's called? It's called a cone. Now, what do we know about cones? Cones have an apex, the point at the top. They have one continuous curved side or surface. And the base of this cone is circular, a circular base or bottom. Okay, where do we see cones in our daily lives? Well, look at those cones at the top of the wax crayons. And the beautiful basket someone's made, they've woven it and they've created a cone-shaped lid. Well, pine cones, of course, are a cone shape. They're pointy at the top and come out and then a sort of flat base. A party hat is a cone shape. And look at the roofs on this castle. They're called turrets, and these are cone-shaped turrets. Okay, we have containers. 2 containers. We have the bath, which contains water, and we have a swimming pool, which contains water. But which one holds the most water, do you think? Which container can be filled up with the most amount of water? If you had cups of water, would you have to pour in more cups in the bath or more cups of water into the swimming pool to fill them up? Did you say the swimming pool? You'd be absolutely right. The swimming pool holds the most water. Right, subitizing, quick look, and ooh, off they go. Did you spot how many green dots there were? I think I saw 5, 2 and 3. Yep, 2 and 3. There they are. And 2 and 3, as we know, makes 5. 10 frames, 2 10 frames. So we've got 20 squares altogether. Let's put some dots in, some purple dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. So 10 fingers for that bottom 10 frame and 2 fingers for the top. So 12 altogether. Let's have a look. Where is that yellow dot today? Which square is it in? First, second. Do you think it's in the 6th square? Because I do. I'm jolly well hoping it says 6th square behind this yellow dot. Yes, it does. Hooray. It's the 6th square. And finally, we're on to opposites. Can you spot the opposites? We have, oh dear, not very useful looking pencils. They're blunt. A person lying down, flat on their back. Some very thin ribbon for wrapping presents. A person standing up. A pot plant covered in tomatoes. So it's a tomato plant looking very healthy. Some very broad red ribbon. Oh, lovely. Now, doesn't that make you want to start writing? That pencil, sharp as can be, perfect for starting to write. And finally, oh dear, a rather sad looking pot, because inside is a plant that's died. So a dead plant. What do you think? Can you see 2 pictures that go together as opposites? I'm going to leave you thinking about that. But for now, I'm going to say goodbye and I will see you tomorrow.